Hi, today I'm going to show you how to turn off object shadows in Blender. So if you want to get the same results as me, you need to follow my instructions. We will need to uncheck one option if you want to get rid of this shadow, because on default you will see this one shadow, yeah? Okay, so first we need to do is go to the right side, and here we have a lot of really helpful settings. One from the settings is object properties. We need to select this one option. And then we are interested in to scroll down, and here is a very important step because we need to open visibility settings. You can see here that some checkboxes are checked, and on the one from the settings ray visibility we can see the shadow settings. Like you see, shadow is checked now, so if you would like to turn off shadows we need to uncheck this option, and now our shadow has successfully disappeared here. So if you click play, you can see that the shadow is not enabled now, but of course you can always turn it on again. If you check shadow box, then you can see that the shadow is back, yeah, so it is how it works. If I helped you to turn on or turn off shadows in Blender, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. It's all for today, thanks you for watching my tutorials.